Check out this 2010 Chevrolet Equinox. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Why worry about high mileage? Choosing a ride with lower mileage is the right choice for your busy life. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Owner care puts no worries on a whole new level, featuring the new exclusive 2-year, 30,000-mile standard CPO maintenance plan, a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty on this certified pre-owned vehicle. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. The sunroof lets fresh air in, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.